Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk to manage e-commerce customer tickets, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Click on the apps icon in the left sidebar. Select Zendesk Marketplace. In the search bar, type e-commerce integration. Browse through the available apps, click on the chosen app for more details. Review the features and user ratings. If satisfied, click the Install button. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Next, navigate to your e-commerce platform's admin dashboard. Locate the API section of the settings. Generate an API key if one is not already available. Copy the generated API key. Now, return to the Zendesk app configuration. Paste the API key into the relevant field in Zendesk. Configure any additional settings according to your preferences. Save your changes. Test the connection by creating a sample ticket. Check for proper ticket flow from your e-commerce platform to Zendesk. Ensure that all relevant customer information is captured. Review the ticket management workflow in Zendesk. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your process. Monitor incoming tickets for any issues. Keep your app updated for ongoing compatibility and new features. Regularly check for customer feedback to improve the integration. Finalize your setup by documenting the process for future reference. Congratulations, you've now successfully connected Zendesk to manage your e-commerce customer tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.